Hello and welcome to Make It Vegan. Today we will be making a vegan spaghetti bolognese. The English say Bolognaise and the Italians say Bolognaise. If you are a first-time visitor to our channel, we wish you a warm welcome. Please check out some of our previous videos. Before we begin, please comment, like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive alerts of new recipes being loaded onto our channel. To prepare vegan spaghetti bolognese, you will be needing the following ingredients. We have included the ingredients and cooking instructions in the description below. This recipe serves, depending on appetite, between 2 and 4 people, maybe 2 men. 4 tablespoons olive oil, 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion, 1 large stalk celery chopped finely, 1 medium carrot chopped very finely or minced in a food processor, 1 fresh medium-sized finely chopped tomato, 1 cup red wine. I use a Merlot, but you can use a Cabernet or similar. This is optional. Half a teaspoon dried rosemary or 1 sprig of fresh rosemary. Make sure to bruise the rosemary in a mortar and pestle, especially if it's fresh, to release the flavors. 2 cups low sodium, if you can find it, vegetable broth. 4 tablespoons of tomato puree or substitute with approximately 30 grams tomato paste. 2 cans of peeled chopped Italian tomatoes. 300 grams vegan veggie protein mince such as pea mince, neutrally or unflavored soy mince, or if you can find it, you can use a can of cooked lentils drained and rinsed as a substitute. I'm using a pea mince, and please note I have no relationships with at the moment. 1/4 cup smoky vegan sausage or polony, finely chopped. 2 bay leaves, sea salt and black pepper to season. 1/2 cup of plant-based milk such as soy milk. This is also optional. 2½ teaspoons table or raw cane sugar. Some vegan Parmesan type cheese for topping, and this is also optional. Now, here with the cooking instructions for spaghetti bolognese. In a large skillet or saucepan, heat the olive oil over a medium heat and add the onions and saute until soft. Add the optional smoky vegan sausage or polony to the onions and saute for a moment. Add the rosemary and celery and saute for a few minutes until the celery had become tender and soft. Add the minced carrot and saute until the carrot is tender. This will take about 5 minutes. Add the chopped tomato and saute for an additional few minutes until the tomato becomes tender. Scoop about 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato puree or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste onto the mixture and sauté. If the mixture becomes dry, add a dash of vegetable broth and cook for a few minutes. Add some black pepper and salt if needed. Now, if you use vegetable broth that is high in sodium, don't add salt at this stage. Now add the cup of red wine and simmer for a few minutes. This is to boil out the alcohol and to provide flavor. Now add your veggie mince and stir to combine thoroughly and cook for a few minutes. Add the rest of the vegetable broth and continue to cook for a few minutes to combine the flavors. Add the 2 cans of chopped and peeled tomatoes and mix properly for a minute or 2 while bringing it to a boil, and add 2 teaspoons of sugar to break the acidity of the tomatoes. Add the 2 bay leaves and then add half a cup of soy milk and stir well. Taste to see if it needs more salt or pepper. You can now cover or leave the bolognese uncovered if your sauce is too thin, and simmer for between 30 and 40 minutes, stirring regularly every 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, taste again for seasoning. If you're satisfied, scoop a few dessert spoons into a bowl. It will be needed to top the spaghetti once plated. Now let's cook the pasta. In a large saucepan, bring water, a pinch of salt and a small dash of olive oil to the boil. Add approximately 350 to 400 grams spaghetti pasta to the pot and boil for approximately 15 minutes until al dente. Once done, drain the spaghetti pasta and add a dash of olive oil and toss to cover. Add the spaghetti pasta to the bolognese sauce and combine so that the sauce covers the spaghetti properly. You can do this using 2 forks. Dish up into pasta bowls or plates and top with additional bolognese sauce, some freshly ground black pepper, and optional vegan Parmesan cheese. And don't forget to serve your vegan spaghetti bolognese with your favorite wine. Buon appetito! Supporting us on Patreon will enable us to improve the quality of our videos and allow us to invent even more unique vegan dishes. Thank you for your support.